Hello, my name is Julie and you're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this giant heart. So without further ado, let's get started.
Right. To make the heart pattern in this video, I am using up this sport weight cotton yarn, and I'm using a hook that's more appropriate for this yarn, which is a size D. But I initially made this pattern using Red Heart Super Saver and a size G hook, so you can make it. I guess it doesn't really matter which hook size and which yarn you use to make this heart. And I thought this, I know it's not quite red, I thought this could be suitable for a heart. So just simply to get started, we are going to make a chain of 5. Two, 5. All right, and we're going to do a double crochet in the 5th chain from our hook. And we're going to do a double crochet in the last chain. Now we're going to chain 3, and this chain 3 does count as a double crochet. We're going to do a double crochet in the first double crochet. A double crochet in the next double crochet. And we're going to do 2 double crochets into the turning chain. And 2. And we're going to chain 3. We're going to do a double crochet in the first double crochet, and that is our increase. 1 double crochet in each double crochet until we get to the turning chain. Then when we get to the turning chain, we're going to do 2 double crochets into that chain. I think we're just going to do 2 kind of in that space, usually in that space. Or into the turning chain. Anyway, you are going to keep increasing in that manner till you have 63 double crochets in the row, and then we'll show you what to do next to make the tops of the heart. Okay, now that I've got 63 double crochets along the top here, we're going to start making the top of the hearts. So we're going to chain 2, which doesn't count as a double crochet, we're going to do a decrease on the end here. That's 2 double crochets, 2 together. So just show how to do that. So we chain 2, we're going to yarn over and draw up a loop and draw 2 more loops. We're going to yarn over, go into the next double crochet, draw up a loop, draw up 2 loops, and then just draw through all 3 loops. And that's how we do a double crochet decrease. So now we're going to do a double crochet in the next 27. That's 1. Okay, so make sure I have 27 here. 2, 3. Okay, 27. Then we're going to double crochet 2 together. And we're going to leave all this others unworked for now. Chain 2. And we're going to turn. Okay, we're going to do our decrease again, double crochet 2 together. Then we're going to do a double crochet in each stitch until you get to the last 2 stitches. Okay, we're at the last 2 stitches, so we're going to do a decrease of double crochet 2 together. Chain 2 and turn. Now we're going to just do 1 row of double crochet across, so just 1 double crochet in each stitch. So then what you're going to do is after this row is done, you're going to repeat those last 3 rows 2 more times. So you're going to do 2 rows with a double crochet decrease on the end and 1 row of even double crochet. So now we're going to do 2 more rows of the decrease on the 2 ends and 1 row of just even 2 more times. And then I will let you know what to do next. Okay, what we're going to do next is chain 2, turn, and you're going to do 2 more rows of the decrease we had done earlier. So do 2 more rows of the decrease on the end, and I'll show you what to do on the final row. Okay, for our final row, we're going to start out by doing a double crochet 3 together. So we yarn over, draw up a loop, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw up a loop, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw up a loop, draw through 2 loops, draw through, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, and we're going to yarn over and draw through all 3 of these loops. So that's 1 double crochet 3 together, and then we're going to do a double crochet in each stitch until we get to the last 3 stitches. Okay, we are at our last 3, so we are going to double crochet 3 together. And okay, so that is our one side. Now we got to go and finish up the other side of our heart top. Okay, now we are back to address our remaining unworked stitches to do the other side. We're going to skip this first double crochet, and we're going to join our yarn up with a slip stitch to the next one, chain 2, and then you're going to repeat everything you did on this side of the heart on this other side. So that way in the same stitch we had joined, we're going to do a double crochet 2 together, honestly double crochet till the end, and then at the end we do 2 double crochets. So we're doing the same thing on this side. We're going to do 2 rows of decrease on each end, 1 row even, and repeat that pattern 3 times, and then the last 3 rows are the 2 rows of decrease and the final row of decrease 3 together on the 2 ends. So I'm going to finish up this side of the heart, and then we will show what to do next. Okay, I have finished up the other side, and if you want at this point you can finish it off and you'll be done with the giant heart. Or you can put like a single crochet edging around, or in my case I'm going to put a chain 3 edging around the heart. Okay, so I am at the end of the row here, so what I'm going to do for my edging is chain 3, and just single crochet into anywhere into the side of the row, chain 3, the single crochet, and do a single crochet in the side of the next row, and we are going to keep doing that till we get down toward the middle of the heart. Okay, so we are down to the center of the heart. Chain 3, do single crochet in that skipped double crochet between the 2 of the heart tops, chain 3, and then we'll start up the other side of the heart by going in the middle of the row. We'll keep doing that till we get to the top of the other side. Okay, so we're at the top of the heart. We did a single crochet in the side of the top row. Chain 3, single crochet into that first double crochet, chain 3, skip a double crochet, single crochet in the next one, chain 3, skip a double crochet, single crochet in the next one, next stitch, chain 3, just skip 1 double, single in the next, chain 3, skip a double crochet, single crochet in the next, chain 3, skip this double crochet and do a single crochet in that last double crochet, which was that 3 double crochet decrease, chain 3, turn and do a single crochet in the side of that row, and proceed going all the way down to the end of the scarf by doing that chain 3 and doing a single crochet in the side of a row. And we'll keep doing that along this side of the heart. Okay, we are at the bottom tip of the heart. I have a single crochet on the side of this very bottom row, first row. We're going to chain 3, do a single crochet, I guess, in the middle of that foundation chain, chain 3, and go on to the other side of that first row and proceed up along the other side of our heart. Okay, we're about to finish this up on the top end of our Valentine. So I'm at the single crochet on the side, the top of the heart. We're going to chain 3 and single crochet into that first double crochet, and like before, we're going to chain 3, skip a double crochet and single crochet in the next double crochet, and so forth. Chain 3, skip a double crochet and double crochet, a single crochet in the next stitch, skip 1 and double single crochet in the next double, chain 3, skip a double crochet, single crochet in the next one, chain 3, skip a single crochet, and then we're back. I'm going to do a single crochet back into that first stitch, and then we're just going to slip stitch into this first chain, and cut off and finish off our heart. And that's it. We finish off all our ends, and now our heart is done.
Right, there you have it, the giant heart. If you did like this tutorial, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you as always for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.